The Deck-Drive DWP Wood SS Fastener is a stainless steel screw designed to provide fast, easy installations in high-exposure environments, so you can build to withstand the elements. The DWP screw is formed from Type 305 stainless steel for a high level of corrosion resistance, and Type 316 stainless steel to provide maximum protection in severe corrosion environments. With its specially designed sharp point, the DWP screw easily drives through hardwood products. Available with either a trim head without nibs for a clean, less noticeable finish, or a flat head with nibs for easy countersinking and greater holding power. The 6-lobe drive helps prevent driver bit cam out for easier driving and extended bit life. The screw's unique box thread design with raised ridge technology reduces driving torque up to 35%, which allows more screws to be driven on a single battery charge and reduces installer fatigue. The convenience of stand-up driving with the Quick Drive auto-feed screw driving system means less strain on installers, and that increases productivity while reducing labor costs. The Quick Drive system is fast and easy to load. Patented curved collation strips hold the screws up and away from the work surface. That makes moving and positioning the tool easier. The DWP is ideal for decks, docks, boardwalks, and general exterior wood construction, where extra corrosion resistance and long-lasting quality are critical. The DWP is available in bulk and collated strips for the Quick Drive auto-feed screw driving system. For more information, visit www.strongtie.com/DWP.